Endorsement. Endorsement is completed using SCWonline. Social Care Wales signatories have a My Organisations button in their accounts. Please contact us if you cannot see this or if you wish to become a signatory. Log in where you should be able to scroll down and see the following on your My Notifications page. If you are unable to access the outstanding endorsements, as indicated above, select My Organisations. Click on the organisation name and not the arrow to the right. This will bring up a list of all the things you can access as a signatory. Select For Endorsement. This is the For Endorsement page. Click on the arrow next to the name of the person you wish to endorse and click View Application. You should view the application before you endorse. Check the information on the application thoroughly, as your endorsement confirms its accuracy. Navigate back to the top of the page to close once you've checked all the information. If someone has failed to declare something on their application, you should note it in the Further Information box at the bottom of the endorsement page. If you are unable or unwilling to endorse an application, you should contact registration@socialcare.wales to advise.